Oh, tax season is officially upon us. We've been talking about this for months, right? The deadline is tomorrow. Joining this is my good friend and local CPA tax professional for more than 25 years, Ken Schwartz, talking about tax day. Ken, good morning. How are you today?
Great. How are you?
I'm good. We were just talking right before we came on break. How many days in a row have you been working without a day off, Ken?
About 84.
Oh my gosh. All right. I feel for you. I thank you that we didn't wait till the ultimate last minute like so many people have. There's a million reasons why certain people wait. I think a lot of people that wait till the deadline, they get nervous about it. They get anxious. I'm not quite sure why. Why do you find most people get so frustrated with filing taxes every year?
I think it's just a pain in the butt, right? So most people, there's the fear, there's a 50% chance you're going to owe money. So it's
Yeah.
people push it off.
Well, listen, I'm glad that we've been able to rope you in over the last couple of years to talk about trying to, take away some of the anxiety that goes into this. Let's just start right at the top. Deadline is tomorrow. Is there anything, what do you need to do if you haven't and you're running kind of behind the gun today? You got a little more than 24 hours. What do people need to know for tomorrow?
Sure. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe it's due tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's probably what a lot of people are saying. So there's a few things. Extension is great. It gives you more time to get your paperwork together, or if you're awaiting some items in the mail. But people believe it's actually an extension of time to pay, and it's not. It's really only an extension of time to get your paperwork in. So if there's a chance you owe, or you owed last year, or you end up owing this year, your extension does not extend the time to pay. It's really a time to get your paperwork in is extended. So what does that mean? Is if you think you're going to owe money based on past years or something that happened in 2025, you should file your extension and prepay your taxes. If you don't prepay, they will charge you more interest. And if you can't even afford to pay and you're like, boy, I'm trying to gather the money, you could pay, you could file an extension and then, work out a payment plan with the IRS. Because if you don't file at all and think it'll go away or the IRS will wait for you, there could be up to a 25% penalty.
Oh, man. And here's the deal. If you haven't really had any kind of major life changes since you filed last year, marriage, divorce, change of job, those major life, changes, then if you owed or got money, it's probably going to be similar again this year. Right. So you know whether or not you need to file that extension or get it done today. The easiest, cheapest option just to go what? IRS.gov?
Yeah. No, so if you go, yeah, perfect. The IRS, even if you don't earn less than $89,000 a year, you could use the IRS.gov website to file your extension for free.
Okay.
If you make less than 89, you can file the whole tax return there. But if you're going to do an extension, no matter your income limit, you can go to IRS.gov, file the extension. But one key thing too about the people that want to extend the old-fashioned way, or even send in their tax papers tomorrow because they're done, what's going to happen is the post office changed their postmark date. So very important for your viewers to know that you may need to be in line at the post office today or actually wait physically in line tomorrow to hand your piece of paper to a post office worker and get it postmarked, because putting it in the mailbox tomorrow may make it actually late.
Ooh, okay. Wow. Yeah, that's good to know. And then is there anything to do to try? I love always when you talk about people rejoice when they get their refund because they either like to go on a trip, buy something with it, and you're like, listen, getting a refund is actually backwards. That's really not a good thing, right? And so what can we do now to try to not have a refund? I know this sounds counterintuitive.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. So for next year, what you would want to do is you'd want to look into, if you typically get large refunds, maybe instead of using your regular 401k, you would use a Roth 401k. That allows the money to grow tax-free. It'll eat up some of your normal refund, but that money will be tax-free for the rest of your life throughout retirement. And then also you'd want to look at maybe on the other side, Jason, even if you owe a lot and you just got your taxes done, what you should do is go to the IRS.gov again, and there's a withholding calculator. You would take your paychecks there, and you look to see that you withhold the right amount per paycheck for the rest of the year.
Oh, I love that. All right, listen, we're almost out of time. I know we've talked before about the new Trump child savings account. Some people are having babies, and they have in the last year or so. Is there a way to jump on this tax train?
Yeah, exactly. So these new accounts, you actually go online and register. I think that the official opening date is 4th of July. If your kids are born in 25 or the next 3 years, they'll get $1,000 free from the government. And then you can contribute up to $5,000. The problem with these accounts, though, they actually are tax deferred, and your kid can't take the money out till they're 18, and they'll still pay taxes at that point. I actually prefer a 529 plan instead. Yes, you're not getting $1,000 if your kid was born in 25, 26, 27, 28, but you could actually let that money grow tax free and use it for college, use it for a Roth IRA, other educational purposes in a 529 plan instead of the Trump account.
Listen, Ken, I know you don't need an assistant, but Ted, our meteorologist, is off to the side shaking his head like he's in church going, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. He's like, Ted,
Right.
preach. Ken, say what you say, mean what you say. Everything that's coming out is helpful for our viewers. It's helpful for
Great.
me. Even Ted agrees. He's got a new kid and another one on the way. Listen, Ken, I hope you get a nice long cruise in about a week or so. I
Yeah.
won't text you the day before and ask you to be on TV. And I thank you for getting everyone through tax season. We always
Great.
appreciate your advice.
Thanks for having me.
All right, take care, Ken.